अगर आपके पास पूरा पॉडकास्ट देखने का वक्त नहीं है तो बढ़िया बढ़िया रसीली क्लिप्स देखिए और आनंद उठाइए. सब्सक्राइब टू
There is
दोस्तकास्ट
this
क्लिप्स.
thing that is making the rounds nowadays, and that is pre-approved loans, right? Now, I have several apps in my phone. I'm not going to mention which ones, but there are several apps that I personally get. मेरा क्रेडिट स्कोर ठीक है, मेरे पास क्रेडिट कार्ड है, हमारी कंपनी है, हम बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर खरीदते हैं, मुझे लगता है कि इस पर थोड़े बहुत पैसे हैं, तो मेरे को हर रोज नोटिफिकेशन भेजते हैं, आपका अब 3.5 लाख रुपए दे रहे हैं हम आपको, हमने आपकी इंक्रीज कर दी लिमिट, 4 लाख रुपए दे रहे हैं. एंड guys in my team were telling me कि some dudes were as young as 18, right? Zero background verification, कुछ नहीं, उनको 20-30 हजार रुपए पकड़ा देंगे, 1 लाख रुपए पकड़ा देंगे. I know when I watch movies, when I look at the past, तो गांव के लोग लाइन लगा के किसी शहर के बंदे को लेके आते थे क्योंकि लोन मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होता था. It wasn't easy. You couldn't just easily get a loan.
Right.
आपको गारंटर चाहिए होता है, आपको प्रूफ ऑफ इनकम चाहिए होती है, कोलैटरल चाहिए होता है. अगर मेरे पास फोन में बैठे बैठे ऐसे पैसे आ रहे हैं, what's the consequence? And is this not gonna affect my credit score?
The consequence is that you've not asked a basic question of what is the rate of interest that he's charging. Finally, finance में हम कहते हैं there's no free lunch. मुफ्त में खाना कोई नहीं खिलाएगा आपको. उसको कुछ तो मिल रहा होगा, इतनी आराम से वो लोन दे रहा है. इनको unsecured loans कहते हैं. So if there's a secured loan, like when you take a home loan, what is the security that the bank has? The bank has the house.
Correct.
The house belongs to the bank till you've paid the loan back. So therefore the home loan interest rates, जो ब्याज आप दे रहे हो, which is the lowest in all of the other loan categories because they have the asset. A credit card is an unsecured loan, right? Because there is no collateral, there's nothing. It's you're just spending and you pay at the end of the month. What do you think the interest rates are on unpaid credit card debt?
Quite high, I would assume.
Take a guess.
10%? No?
36, 42%
What?
a year.
मतलब a year ना, तो
हाँ, तो आप मतलब आपको yeah, so you have to see it against the returns that you're getting. What is your FD return? 5.5, and what is it that you're paying for unpaid credit card? Now you're thinking of how much you've not paid back.
No,
is
no,
it?
I pay.
You pay, because
No, I set up auto pay. I even sometimes even pay for the unbilled transactions before they're billed.
Yeah.
Mostly
that's
because I don't.
That's the way to use. I mean, you use it for convenience and you use it for the credit card points if you're getting any, nothing else. Now with UPI, I have seen my own credit card use drop because there's UPI. It's credit card used to be this easy way to pay, rather than allow an access to my savings bank account through a debit card. Credit card, you can dispute it. But with UPI, I'm finding my own credit card use drop. So see the question that you're saying is that this money is coming. Why is it coming? It's coming because they're going to earn a huge interest rate off this loan. It's an unsecured loan. And if you don't pay, so when you have downloaded the app, you have given them control over your contact list, over your photographs. Check. They have everything. Aap check kariye unke. They probably have your location, a live location. Check. So if you were to take the loan and not pay it back, there are very serious consequences in terms of them. And if you have private conversations in your phone, you think they will
have. What are you saying, Monica? Wait. Okay. Let me just look it up. What are
the consequences of app loans that are not paid back? App-based loans,
unsecured loans that are not paid back, and this is universal or in India?
China में भी होता था, भारत में तो definitely हो रहा है.
हाँ, मतलब ये तो मुझे पता है कि वो कलेक्शन एजेंसी होती है, वो जाके कूटती है लोगों को,
but that is, look, you're taking it from, so जो collection agency है वो बैंक के लोग आ रहे हैं, regulated by the RBI, so there are rules and regulations in place. The app is probably sitting somewhere in China. There are a lot of Chinese based apps here in India. Yeah, lift your jaw.
Oh wow, oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to read out some of it. So number 1 is damage to credit score, right? आपको 50 से 100 पॉइंट कम हो जाएगा.
बहुत ही mild consequence है ये तो.
Each missed EMI, right? Long-term effects is delinquencies or defaults remaining on credit report up to 7 years. Late fees, which is 25 to 50 rupees or 3 to 5% of the EMI. Interest rate hikes, Harassment by recovery agents. I thought this was just a phenomenon of a physical loan shark karte hain, banks karte hain.
The app-based is much worse because they start calling up your family, threatening them.
Violation of privacy.
Yeah.
Some illegal or unregulated loan apps access borrowers' phone data, contacts, photos, and use it to blackmail or shame them into repayment.
Yeah.
This practice is particularly common with predatory apps, including those flagged by the RBI.
Yes. So please be careful. There is no free lunch. Don't use app-based loans. Please don't use them. Your entire data, your whole imagine your messages, photographs. They have access to all of that. So
ये allowed है?
नहीं है ना? How do you, again, coming back to the AI conversation. So RBI, when it finds something, it will block it. But it's like a 1,000-headed hydra. What do you do?
There's more. There's civil lawsuits. There's Section 113 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, criminal charges of willful default, SARFAESI Act for secured loans. This is for secured loans.
Secured loan. See, the minute we are in these SARFAESI, secured loans, all we are in safe territories.
Yeah.
The unsafe territory is these app-based loans, which are so easy because the consequences are very, very bad.
You were right. It says they do, in fact, practice exorbitant interest rates, 20 to 30% monthly. Processing fees is 15%.
There's no free lunch in finance. Please understand that. If someone is giving money to you easily, they're going to take it back with a very high interest rate. So take a personal loan from a bank, no? At least it's safe. There is a process in place. If you can't pay back, there is a process in place. यहाँ कोई process नहीं है. You're on your own. So please don't. One is मत लो. Loan क्यों लेना है आपको?